Good morning team, Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. This video is going to be the ultimate guide to the World of Hyatt loyalty program and kind of why the World of Hyatt loyalty program is considered the best hotel program out there. First though, if you're new to the channel, I'm Justin. I like to talk about using credit cards and reward points to get the most out of life. If that sounds good to you, really appreciate thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel. And then I got some links down below that you can click on to help support the channel. Okay, with that out of the way, let's talk about Hyatt's loyalty program. The program is pretty much considered to be the best loyalty program out there, where Hyatt only has about 1,100 locations, and Marriott and Hilton, they have about 6,000 or 7,000 locations. Hyatt has a smaller footprint than the other big hotel brands, but they make up for that in just having a really good loyalty program, and people love it. Now, signing up for the program is going to be really easy. All you have to do is go to Hyatt.com and create an account. Once in, you're going to be a member of the World of Hyatt program, and this is going to give you things like 10% off. This is going to be your member rate, and you're also going to be able to start earning Hyatt points, and you're going to earn 5 base points for every dollar you spend when you stay at a Hyatt property. It's also going to give you things like the ability to use free nights. You're going to get those member rates. Then when you use a free night award, it's going to waive resort fees, and then there's also an MGM status tier match, which this will give you MGM's Sapphire status, and then you'll have access to the small luxury hotels of the world benefits. Next tier above member rate is Discoverist, and this requires 10 stays, and the good thing about the stays is that you redeeming points and using free night certificates count towards stays. You could also earn 25,000 base points to stay, and this would be about $5,000. This is money spent at the hotel and not things like bonus points that come from the credit card. You could also host 3 meetings or host 3 events at Hyatt Hotel or resorts. Discoverist is going to give you, on top of your points, your 5 base points, you're going to get a 10% bonus on those points, and you'll get your MGM reward status. That will be Pearl. You're also going to get things like premium internet, water, and room upgrades. These will be minimal room upgrades, like what kind of room you want, or maybe a higher floor. Not suite upgrades yet. Also get early check-in, late check-out for 2 p.m. You're also going to earn an American Airlines Advantage bonus, which means you're going to earn 1 American Airlines mile per dollar spent at Hyatt. Next tier would be Explorers, and this requires 30 nights stayed at Hyatt properties or 50,000 base points earned. That'd be about $10,000 or 10 meetings or events hosted. On top of all the benefits from the other, you also get a bonus on your base points of 20%. Your MGM status tier match is going to be gold. Suites will be included in your room upgrades, and you have guaranteed room availability up to 72 hours. After that, we have Globalist. And Globalist requires 60 stayed nights at a property, 100,000 base points, or about $20,000, or 20 events or meetings held at properties. Now, Globalist will give you a 30% bonus on your base points earned. You're also going to get your resort fees waived for eligible rates when you stay at a resort on top of your free night awards. You're going to get MGM status gold, and suites will be included. Late checkout at 4 p.m. Room availability guarantee of 48 hours. You'll have club access or breakfast. Now with this, you'll check in and you'll have a choice. Do you want to stay at the lounge for the club, or do you want to get breakfast in the morning? And breakfasts tend to be more of a real meal instead of continental breakfasts. You also get free parking at the property when you redeem free nights and priority access to rooms and a guest of honor. Now, guest of honor is the ability to book a room for somebody else, even if they're not a member of the Hyatt loyalty program and they receive all the benefits of a Globalist. There's another tier above this, but it's pretty hard to get and you don't see many people actually get it, and there isn't that many more benefits over everything else. And it's Lifetime Globalist. You can't earn Lifetime Globalist with staying or hosting events. You just gotta spend a bunch of money. You gotta earn about 1 million base points or spend $200,000 at Hyatt properties to earn Lifetime Globalist. You get all the same benefits as all the others, but in addition, you get a free night certificate eligible for hotels categories 1 through 7, and then 4 suite upgrades every year in March, and then a little personal concierge that you can call to help you out. After our membership tiers, we have another cool feature of milestone rewards. And the more you stay at a property, you're going to get these little gifts, these little achievements that after 20 nights, you'll get a little gift. And then after 40 nights and 50 nights, you get these little gifts the more you stay at Hyatt. And I'll put a list on the screen because there's a bunch of them and you can kind of look at them yourself. But they start out at 20 nights or 35,000 base points. You get 2 club lounge access awards. 30 nights or 50,000 points, you get a free night, categories 1 through 4, and 2 more club lounge access awards. Then at 60 nights or 100,000 base points, you get a free night category 1 through 7 award and 2 suite upgrade awards, and then access to a concierge. And then 70, 80, 90, 100 nights are all kind of the same, 10,000 bonus points or 1 suite upgrade award. Now, I think the sweet spot here is getting up to that 60 nights because then you're going to get the Globalist status. You're going to get 2 free nights out of the deal. These suite upgrades, they'll allow you to upgrade to a suite in advance. And the club lounge access, those are going to be really good up until you do get to that Globalist status. Then you'll get the lounge access already with your status. Now, Hyatt has another side quest that we can go on and earn more rewards after milestone rewards, and this is the Brand Explorer. So the idea is there's different brands in the Hyatt lineup. Like we have the Park Hyatt, we have Hyatt Regency, Hyatt House, Hyatt Place, and those. So they're all different brands, and if you go stay at different brands, you can earn rewards. So if you stay at 5 different brands, you get a free night certificate valid for a hotel at category 1 through 4. Right now, I think Hyatt has 26 different brands, so you could earn 5 free nights if you stayed 1 night at every different hotel. Now, that's a pretty good rundown of the program. But there's also credit cards that the World of Hyatt offers with Chase. Chase has 2 Hyatt credit cards, a personal and a business. Personal card has a $95 annual fee, but comes with a welcome offer, a kind of a 2-tiered welcome offer. Got 30,000 points after spending $3,000 in the first 3 months, and then another 30,000 points after spending $15,000 in the first 6 months. Now you're going to earn 4 bonus points at Hyatt properties when you use the card, and that'll be 9 points total. You're going to get your 5 base points and then 4 bonus points when using the card. You'll also get 2 points per dollar spent on transit and commuting, 2 points at restaurants and dining out, 2 points on flights purchased directly from the airline, and 2 points at gyms, and then 1 point on everything else. Card's also going to give you a free night certificate, category 1 through 4, once a year. And then another certificate, category 1 through 4, after you spend $15,000 on the card. The card's going to give you Discover status automatically. Then it's going to give you 5 qualifying nights towards your next status. Then you can earn 2 more qualifying nights towards status for every $5,000 you spend on the card. On the business card side of things, it's going to be a $200, well, $199 annual fee, but you'll get 60,000 points after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months with the business card. 9 points spending at Hyatt properties, that's the 5 base points, and the 4 bonus points. You're going to earn 2 bonus points on your top 3 eligible spend categories each quarter. Different things like dining, gas stations, car rentals, airlines. It's kind of up to you. 2 points back at gyms, 1 point on everything else. Couple credits that come along with a Hyatt card. You get up to $100 in Hyatt statement credits when you spend $50 or more at a Hyatt property, and $50 statement credits up to 2 times each anniversary year. Automatic Hyatt Discover status for you and up to 5 employees. Earn 5 annual qualifying nights for every $10,000 of spend per calendar year. Then after you spend $50,000 in a calendar year, get 10% of your redeemed points back for the rest of the year, up to 200,000 points redeemed. So there's the loyalty program, World of Hyatt, the different tiers and different ways to earn points and different rewards, and the 2 credit cards issued by Chase for Hyatt. A lot of people consider Hyatt to have the best loyalty program because it's really easy to get value, to earn free nights, and be treated well for your loyalty status. And there's lots of different fun challenges like your brand discovery challenge where you stay at different Hyatts, and then you get different bonuses the more nights you stay. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. What's your favorite hotel loyalty program and what status are you? I think that's all I got for this video. If you get any value, thumbs up, really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Then I want you to go have a good day, alright? Justin out.